how to use Google AI Edge Eloquent. So let's open the app, let's continue, let's complete the whole entire sign up. This is a transcription AI. It's a dictation app that converts your speech into polished professional text. Unlike traditional dictation apps, it removes filler words like and fixes self-corrections and performs most processing directly on your device for better privacy. This app is only available for iPhone and iPad running iOS 16 or later. So as you can see, the app is warming up the dictation engine. I don't know what kind of engine they're using. Now let's try to start speaking. Let's just record an audio. Access the microphone, allow. Okay, so let's just now start talking. Eloquent automatically removes filler words and clean up your speech into readable text. Let's go stop. And there you go. Text copy to clipboard. You can also upload a file. So for example, I don't know if you're a student and you're in class. What I used to do, I used to just record the lectures. So here if you can upload the entire lecture and get a transcription of it and then an explanation. So let's just click next. And there you go. So you can go to your history now. I guess that one didn't count. So let's just talking now. Now let's go to the history and there you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.